Have you ever wanted to switch between inches, centimeters, or pixels while designing in Canva? It's actually super simple, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. First, open any design in Canva. Once you're inside, look at the top menu and click on Resize. This is where all the magic happens. In the window that pops up, you'll see fields for width and height, and right next to them is a small drop-down menu. This drop-down is where you can choose your preferred units: pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. After selecting the unit you want, click Resize this design, and just like that, your design will adjust to the new measurement units. It's a small change that can make a huge difference, especially if you're preparing designs for print or trying to match exact dimensions. One important thing to note, this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. So if you're on the free version, you might not see the resize options, but for pro users, it's a game changer for precision and workflow efficiency. And that's it. Changing units in Canva is quick, intuitive, and makes your designs much more flexible. Try it out the next time you start a project. It could save you a lot of time and guesswork. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give it a try and keep exploring Canva's features. Small tweaks like this can make a big difference in your design process.